Imagine waking up one day to find out your liver is failing. Scary, right? But here's the good news. Reversing liver damage can be as simple as adopting some natural strategies, and it's possible in just 30 days. Let's explore how you can turn the tide on liver health. The liver acts as your body's primary detoxification center. It filters out toxins, aids in digestion, and regulates metabolism. When overburdened by excessive toxins or poor dietary habits, the liver exhibits signs like fatigue and jaundice, yellowish skin. Identifying these symptoms promptly is critical, as early detection and management can prevent severe liver damage, preserving its vital functions and potentially saving lives. The journey to revitalizing your liver significantly hinges on dietary changes. By eliminating alcohol, processed foods, and excessive sugars, you lighten the liver's workload, enabling it to recover and function optimally. Opting for a nutrient-rich diet filled with leafy greens, nuts, and lean proteins provides essential vitamins and minerals that are crucial for liver repair and regeneration. These foods support the liver's natural detoxification processes, helping to restore its health and enhance its ability to filter toxins effectively from the body. Adequate hydration is vital for liver health. Consuming sufficient water daily aids in detoxifying the body by flushing out toxins and facilitating smoother liver function. Coupling hydration with regular physical activities like walking, cycling, or yoga boosts metabolism and promotes liver recovery. These exercises improve blood circulation, which helps in efficiently transporting nutrients to the liver and removing toxins. Together, proper hydration and regular exercise are essential for maintaining liver health and enhancing its capacity to heal and function optimally. Incorporating natural supplements such as milk thistle can significantly enhance liver recovery. Milk thistle is rich in silymarin, a compound known for its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Silymarin acts as a protective agent for liver cells by neutralizing toxins and inhibiting inflammatory pathways that can damage the liver. Additionally, it promotes the regeneration of liver cells and enhances the organ's resilience against incoming toxins. This protective action helps maintain liver health and supports its recovery from damage, making milk thistle a valuable supplement for liver care. Turmeric and ginger are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties, making them excellent for liver health. Turmeric contains curcumin, which modulates inflammatory pathways and enhances bile production, aiding in digestion and toxin removal. Ginger, on the other hand, helps in managing oxidative stress and reducing inflammation, both of which are beneficial in preventing liver damage. Regularly incorporating these spices into your diet can improve liver enzyme levels, boost detoxification processes, and support overall liver function, thereby contributing to a healthier digestive system and liver. Maintaining a food and symptom diary can be instrumental. It allows for monitoring the impact of dietary changes on well-being and identifying what best supports liver health. After 30 days, such changes can lead to normalized liver enzymes, renewed energy, and clearer skin. This journey underscores the liver's remarkable capacity to heal. Consult with healthcare professionals before embarking on new health regimens, and tailor these strategies to fit your needs. Ready to give your liver the support it deserves? Your body's ability to heal is profound. Start your journey today and unlock a healthier you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more life-enhancing tips.